If you've got one pot and 30 minutes, I've got your new signature dish, a Normandy fish stew that tastes like a weekend in France. Big flavor, zero fuss, and yes, you can absolutely nail this. Here's the game plan. I'm using a heavy pot, medium heat, a knob of butter, a slick of olive oil so it doesn't burn. In go thinly sliced leeks and a small onion. Pinch of salt. Let them slump and sweeten, no color. About 5 minutes. Mushrooms next, sliced. A crushed garlic clove, a bay leaf, and a tiny sprig of thyme. Black pepper. Stir until the mushrooms give up their juice. Now the Normandy twist, dry apple cider, half a bottle. Turn the heat up and let it bubble hard for 2 minutes to cook off the boozy edge. Smell that? Apples, butter, herbs. Already winning. Add fish stock or water with a teaspoon of fish sauce if that's what you've got. Bring to a lively simmer. Taste. Season now so the broth is perfect before the fish goes in. Seafood time. Chunks of firm white fish cod haddock. A handful of mussels, scrubbed and debearded. A few raw shrimp. Drop in the mussels first. Lid on for 2 minutes until they just start to open. Then add the fish and shrimp. Gentle simmer, don't boil. About 3 to 4 minutes until the fish flakes and the shrimp blush pink. If any mussels stay shut, ditch them. Finish like Normandy. A generous spoon of creme fraiche or heavy cream. A teaspoon of Dijon for subtle heat. Stir off the heat so it stays silky, not split. Squeeze of lemon. Shower of chopped flat leaf parsley and a few chives if you've got them. Taste again. It should be savory, lightly sweet from the cider, and rich without being heavy. Need salt? A tiny splash of fish sauce is cleaner than more salt. Serve straight from the pot with warm, crusty bread to chase every last drop. If you want extra texture, toast the bread with a rub of garlic and a swipe of butter. Quick swaps. No cider? Use dry white wine and a teaspoon of apple juice or a pinch of sugar. No mussels? Double the fish and add clams or more shrimp. Dairy-free? Skip the cream and finish with a knob of dairy-free butter or a spoon of good olive oil.